Oke, kompetitor selanjutnya.
Halo.
Kompetitor keempat, Rocky. Dengan head judge kita, Rico. Sensori 1, Laila. Sensori 2, Veronica. Sensori 3,
Laila.
Alan.
Halo,
Dan
Mbak Vero,
Shadow
selamat datang.
Eric.
Mas Alan, selamat datang. Mas Erik, selamat datang. Oke, untuk air panas dan ini. Oke, sensory judge sudah siap. Peralatannya sudah oke, pulpen, cupping spoon oke. Oke. Sudah siap ya, yakin? Timekeeper juga sudah siap. Oke. Boleh cek musik? Langsung aja deh, langsung. Oke. Time. Halo. Good afternoon. My name is Rocky from Bandung. It sounds like a fairly long journey for me. To fly away from Bandung, West Java, to here, Pontianak, West Borneo. But nobody knows yet if I was actually born and raised in Pontianak back in 90s. So judges, let me proudly say to you, welcome to my hometown. And let's talk about coffee, which I believe since the very beginning of this industry, from the first wave until now, we might have different preference about coffee that we like, right? For example, I like my coffee light and bright, while somebody else could prefer their coffee to have a much sugar browning sweetness, sometimes with a little bitterness and thicker body. But after all, I came to a conclusion that a delicious cup of coffee is the one that is enjoyable to drink from hot to warm, even until cools down to room temperatures. And that's the coffee that I'm gonna serve for you today. Our coffee today has an elegant characters of yellow fruit sweetness, like mango if I may say. And this is a single varietal of Kartika, planted at higher altitude of 1500 meters above sea level in Semendo Highland, South Sumatra. The Kartika itself is actually a local version of Katuai, which has genetic relation to old cultivars like Typica, that is well known for its brighter acidity, and Bourbon, that is known for its gentle sweetness in the cup. Afterward, this coffee is processed by a local company there called CCC by using a natural anaerobic process. This is to increase the incredible tropical fruit aroma with that layers of citric acidity. For the recipe today, I'm using 15 grams of coffee, medium fine grind size, on conical burr hand grinders. The total brewing water is 230 ml of 95 ppm water at 90 degrees Celsius, with total brewing time around 2 minutes and 10 seconds to 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I chose this recipe to achieve the most possible balance out of this coffee, with the pleasant mouthfeel from hot to cold. Excuse me. As you can see, I'm using a combination between origami dripper with a Kalita Wave paper filter. To make this cone-shaped dripper become flat at the bottom, with a minimum airflow at the side wall of the dripper. This is to minimize the bypass, of course. This way, I could enhance the ripe fruity flavor with cleaner finish. Also, the plastic material has a much better heat retention, allowing me to get the desired extraction and strength of my brewed coffee. And for the roasting process, it is roasted 10 days ago at light level with 10 minutes roasting time, with shorter development of 13% for its clarity. My roaster's oatmeal chose to prolong the Maillard reaction to produce more polysaccharides, which means much sweeter cup of coffee today. while also balancing the flavor characters that link to the origin and post-harvest processing. And for my pouring technique, I split into 3 spiral pour to get a multiple layers of acidity that peaks at different points throughout different temperatures. First pour is 40 grams of water and let it bloom until 40 seconds. This longer blooming time could result in much sweeter cup of coffee today. Second pour is 120 grams of water and let it steep until 1 minute and 30 seconds. This is to extract all the potential flavor out of this coffee. And finally, the last pour is 70 milliliters of water and let it steep until 2 minutes and 15 seconds. This is to control the intensity of acidity and body. So we will have a nice balanced cup of coffee today. So are you ready to write down some of our taste description? Let's get started from aroma. You can find honey, brown sugar, light mango with bergamot. The flavor, when it's hot, you can find mango and honey sweetness. When it's warm, you can find honey, mango with lemon. And when it cools down, you can find plum, mango, and that lemon. Now the aftertaste of this coffee, when it's hot, you can find chocolate. But when it's warm, you can find a sweetness like a caramel candy, like gulali, if I may say. And when it cools down to room temperatures, it's become like a molasses combined with chocolate. Okay, moving on to the acidity. When hot, you can find medium bright mango, little bit sparkling, like mango. When it's warm, you can find medium citric, like mango, combined with lemon. And last, when it cools down, you can find a combination between a medium citric, medium malic, and medium tartaric, like a golden raisins, mango, and lemon, with also plum. Last is the body. This is constantly medium intensity. When hot, you can find a tea-like quality. And when it's warm, it's getting juicy. And when it cools down, it's become round. Overall, this coffee has a nice balance of sweetness with complex acidity and clean textures. So it's almost the time for you to enjoy this coffee, but I would like you to please follow my protocol. Is it okay? First, to assess the aroma. Okay? Please stir 5 times using your cupping spoon. Feel free to grab the cups, raise it close to your nose. Raise it again a few times and slowly evaluate the aroma. Second, to assess another attribute. From hot, warm until cools down, please drink directly from the cups. So you will have a better mouthfeel and a much clearer nose to pick up, okay? Start from you. Hello, Mbak Laila, how are you today? This is for you. Please assess the aroma only. Hello, Mbak Vero, how are you today? This is for you. Please assess the aroma only. Hello, gentlemen. Mas Alan, how are you today? This is for you. So judges, while you evaluate the aroma, please allow me to clean up my station. And I'll get back to you soon for my closing statement. Thank you. Permisi ya. All right, judges. Okay, waiting for Mas Alan. Okay, so I truly believe if the way we extract flavor is responsible to increase our national coffee consumption. Of course, it's not only about extracting more and more to get a stronger coffee. Instead, it's all about us as a professional barista who could deliver and brew a delicious cup of coffee for anybody, anywhere. My name is Rocky. Thank you once again for your time.
Tepuk tangan yang meriah buat Bang Rocky.
Makasih mas. Makasih ya. Makasih ya mbak. Makasih ya. Please enjoy. Makasih, please enjoy.
Oke, minta tepuk tangannya dong buat Bang Rocky.
Terima kasih.
Boleh sini sebentar Bang.
Wow.
Abang ini jauh dari Bandung ya?
Bandung, tapi lahir Pontianak.
Oh lahir Pontianak. Orang asli sini lah.
Iya. Lupa tapi bahasa Pontianak.
Udah lega?
Lega. Alhamdulillah.
Nah, menetap di Bandung. Berarti kalau misalkan Ujung Tombak ngadain event, lanjutnya bakalan datang nggak?
Datang.
Pasti ya, sekaligus balik ke kampung halaman. Oke Bang. Thank you Bang ya, semoga sukses ke depannya Bang.
Yo, makasih banyak.